Show you how to pay with PayPal on Gumroad. Whether you're a longtime user or trying the platform for the first time, this quick guide will make the process simple and hassle-free. Start by opening your browser and going to gumroad.com. On the homepage, click Login in the top right corner. For a faster login, select Google and choose the account linked to your Gumroad profile. This way, you don't have to remember extra passwords. After confirming any security prompts, you'll land on your dashboard. Next, navigate to Settings, usually represented by a gear icon. Inside the Settings menu, click Payments. Here, you can manage all your payment methods. To use PayPal, select the PayPal option. You'll be prompted to enter your PayPal email. Make sure the information is accurate, as this is where your payments will be sent. Double check for typos to prevent any issues. Once completed, your PayPal account will be linked to Gumroad. Now you're all set. You can pay for products or receive funds using a secure and widely trusted payment method. Setting up PayPal not only adds convenience, but also ensures smooth transactions on the platform. Thanks for watching.